Special treat for me because I've always wanted to stay at this hotel. It's called the Seal Rock Inn, and it's right next to Ocean Beach, specifically right near the Sutro Baths overlook near Land's End, where a lot of people in the city and people from out of town like to come and hike and be tourists. So this room is like a flashback to late 70s, maybe 80s. It's not modern at the least. It looks like a retreat center. So coming from, they even got signs on the door that look like it was like made in the 70s. I came here at night and there's like this courtyard with like a volleyball and cornhole, but it looks like a lodge, like a retreat center. Some homes right there. Okay, walking in, you got the comfy bed. Really old school colors. Got some cool artwork there. Even the light fixtures is retro. I don't even know if that's new retro or it's been there before. Coming in, we got a nice clean bathroom here. Tile with drains. A little old school. Check out this wooden ceiling. That is definitely old school. And then some cool window artwork there. It's super hippie. This place is super hippie, man. Closet in the bathroom with the iron, with the blow dryer. All these appliances look very, very old. This is old school with the Kleenex on the wall. Man, yeah, I always wanted to stay here, and I knew it kind of would be a little outdated, but check it out. These lights here, they got a USB and a plug, which is awesome. Super old furniture, but let's turn this light on. You got a light and a plug right there, a USB and a plug. Don't know what's going on here. This whole thing, this has hinges, so, oh, check that out. Okay, so this whole thing right there, I think if you pull that out, that's a bed. What? Okay, this is interesting. This is super old right here too. I don't even know what year that's from. And then we got our couch here. Does this have hinges too? Yes, it does. And some pillows right there, because this is also a bed, so it could sleep maybe 2 over there, 2 over there, 3 and 4. 4 people. This is a weird invention right here. Got ourselves a coffee table and a dining table with 2 seats, air conditioning, heater, a microwave. Let's see if the fridge has anything. Of course not. Oh, I wasn't even expecting coffee. We got some old school coffee here, coffee maker, nice flat screen TV, some drawers, a cool desk with a cool retro chair. I think they're going for that retro vibe. And then this lamp right here has a plugs and USB as well, so that's something modern. And let's see, we have a clean phone. The front desk, they close at 11 p.m. and they sell some snacks and stuff down there, like juices, waters, and granola bars and stuff like that. I'm gonna get some rest. I'll show you this place in the morning. It's supposed to have good views of the ocean because it's right by the ocean. You can actually hear the ocean when you go outside. But right now you can't really see nothing but a minibus outside. Let's go outside to this hallway really quick and see if we could hear the ocean. You can kind of hear the ocean out there. It's beautiful. Okay, so tomorrow morning I'll show you the rest of the place. Good morning. We are still at the Seal Rock Inn, but let me show you this view right here. It's really beautiful. Cypress trees and trails for hiking, and that side too of the park. And then if you keep going down that hill, that's the beach. We just got some Muni buses right there. But this is the Seal Rock Inn during the day, and I'm about to step outside. I got an extra night, so I have to get the keys updated. And we are like in the middle of a neighborhood. If you can see people's backyards and houses across the way. We do have a pool. I didn't see that last night. Pretty cool. And then a kind of like a lounge area. These are the hallways. I guess you can say it's more of a motel than a hotel or an inn. They got this green floor here. But yeah, this is the courtyard. They got cornhole, a pool, oh, a ping pong table. Looks like I went back in time. Elevator. I don't know, I feel like it has a retro charm to it. It's very clean, it's not dirty. That restaurant down there is closed for good. Dude said they closed it during COVID. Ice machine over there. Yeah, old school charm. This is the restaurant that's not open, and the hotel from the outside. 48th, and you can see the ocean right there. It's so beautiful. I wish this was open, this restaurant. They keep the lights on in there for some reason. My room is, I think it's the one with the open drapes right there on the second floor. There's a big parking lot underneath, and it's like smack dab in just this neighborhood, right by the beach. Beautiful cypress trees and eucalyptus trees around. I am on my way to get some Chinese food. Walking to a restaurant by the hotel here. Picking up some Uber Eats. Feel like I'm a fish out of water here. Coming from Hayes Valley, near downtown, and everybody knows each other, saying hi to each other here. Walking their dogs. Definitely the suburban area of San Francisco, which I am familiar with, but it has been a while since I just walked around a suburban neighborhood in the city. I passed by here before and I wanted to go. I don't know why I didn't go. Maybe it wasn't open, but let's check out these dishes they got here. We got seafood, crab, a lot of fried stuff. Looks promising. Got my food. And one last time is Feng Zhe Yuan restaurant here in the Richmond. This is a hefty bag. For only 20 bucks, I got barbecue pork, steam bun, and kung pao chicken over rice. And yeah, the total came out to $18.50. That is cheap for all this food, and it's like pretty heavy too. So let's go back to the hotel and check it out. Oh, we got ourselves some steamed pork buns. Those look fluffy. Ooh, they're all soft and fluffy. Let's check this out. Let's open it up. Ooh, wow, check that out. All that juicy, sweet sauce. Mmm. 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 That's very fresh. It's like not old at all. Put some hot sauce on this. Mmm. I put a lot of hot sauce, just hot sauce and bun. I love that juiciness of the meat. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. That's good. It's not chunks of pork. It's like minced. Chopped up and minced. So like, if you think barbecue pork, it's not big chunks of barbecue pork. I thought it was like barbecue pork, like pulled pork or whatever. But it's still good. Okay. Kung Pao chicken over rice. Now check that out. Kung Pao chicken over rice. Good amount of food on there. It's not as saucy as I'm used to. I like my stuff really saucy, but got the chestnuts and peanuts. Okay, flavor's there. Not too spicy. White meat of the chicken. Very tender. It's all right. And a lot of veggies in here, which I'm happy about. I love veggies, and a lot of rice. So this is a lot of food for less than 20 bucks. A Kung Pao chicken over rice and the steam bun, less than 20 bucks, $18.50 actually to be exact. Wanted to thank you guys, all the people who watch my videos and use my HotelTonight app link, because it really helps with the discounts that I get on the HotelTonight app. And if I didn't get those discounts, then the hotel stays would be very, very expensive for me. So I really appreciate everyone watching, or everyone who has watched my videos in the past. Use my referral link code from HotelTonight. And we're gonna check out this cool ocean view right here. There's a beach down there. It's beautiful. The air out here is also very clean and crisp. This is a beautiful view.